Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your BandLab app on Android is suffering from terrible vocal delay or audio latency, it means your phone's internal sound card processing is creating a gap between when you sing and when the app actually records the audio. I will show you exactly how to sync your tracks and fix this latency right now. Let's get started. First, the best way to sync your audio is to use BandLab's built-in diagnostic tool to measure your hardware delay. Open your project in the studio and tap the gear icon at the very top of the screen to open your settings. Scroll down the menu and tap on the option explicitly labeled Latency Fix. Before you run the test, completely unplug your headphones, find a quiet room, and turn your phone's media volume all the way up to maximum. Tap the Start Test button. Your phone will emit a series of beeping noises measuring the exact time it takes for the sound to leave the speakers and hit the microphone. Once finished, tap Done, and the app will automatically compensate for your device's specific hardware delay going forward. Next, if the automatic test is inconsistent and leaves your vocals slightly off beat, you can manually force the compensation slider to the exact millisecond. Go back to your Settings gear icon, tap on Latency Fix, and then select the Advanced option at the bottom of the screen. You will see a slider indicating your current delay time. If your recorded vocals are playing back too early before the beat drops, gently drag the dot to the left. If they're lagging behind the instrumental, drag it to the right. Adjust the number by 10 milliseconds at a time, hit Save, and record a quick test track until your vocals sit perfectly inside the mix. Finally, if you have already recorded a perfect vocal take, but the latency ruined the timing, you do not need to delete it. You can simply slide the existing audio clip into the correct position using the timeline tools. Tap directly on the recorded audio region in your workspace to highlight it, then tap the triple dot icon to open the track menu. Tap the Shift option, which brings up a specialized precision slider at the bottom of the screen. Carefully move this slider left or right to physically nudge the audio file forward or backward in time until the waveforms visually line up perfectly with your drum hits. Tap the check mark to apply the fix and save your perfect take. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.